The stage was a bit long, 620 kilometers in total, with 360 kilometers special stage. One special, but 3 parts of it. I really liked the middle one that was in the mountain, very fast and narrow. I like it.
The first special stage was very muddy. The second was in the hills with a lot of uphills and downhills, very similar like Albania rally. And the third part was, I don't know, we need a submarine or something else because it was so many water.
Everywhere at each corner there is people that are just acclaiming or, yeah, that's wonderful. It seems like you are in a W2RC races where everyone is everywhere and just applauding. It's super nice.
Spectators, the applause, they're laughing, they're motivating you, show where to go, where is too safe to go. So the fight for the second and the third position will be in the very tough because the Wisniewski today was really fast. So it's still 2 days to work. So let's go to prepare our ATVs for tomorrow.